Hello everyone, I've got a new unboxing for you. It's a Saitek Cyborg keyboard, which I've been trying to get for a long time, because at the moment I've got this piece of crap which I can't even use properly anymore. So this came just now. I've already took like the foam and wrapping off because that's not really interesting. Just have a little look at the box. On the top there's just some languages information, and then on the back there's a nice picture. It's actually a really thick box for a keyboard. I mean, I wasn't expecting that much. So just open this up. I did a review of the Saitek Cyborg mouse, which I also have, but I didn't unbox that because it just didn't cross my mind at the time. Because I got that as one of my birthday presents, and well, I opened it at my birthday. Okay. Sorry. What did I just knock off? Okay, so here we have another box which opens how? Just like okay. So here is the guard, well, I mean just sort of a armrest, and if I compare it to my previous keyboard, it's bigger by quite a bit, but I think, you know, because of the side panels, like the, what's it called, the G keys, the keyboard itself is actually longer, and then here you have the installation CD, which is similar to the mouse, almost the same, and you have a manual and just a piece of information, and you open this up to find, oh lord, how many places does this go into? It needs 2 USB ports, and yeah, you need to put in these 2 jacks, which I'm probably not going to because my speakers are in there at the moment. And you get, let's just take this out. Oh god, that is a really heavy keyboard. It's a really heavy keyboard. Okay, just show you. There it is. Really nice, and if anyone has like problems with their eyes, I suggest getting this keyboard because the letters and the numbers are actually really big. I don't know, you probably won't be able to see, but if I just compare the two, yeah, the letters are much bigger. So I'd recommend this for anyone. I'll be doing a review of it quite soon. These are the G keys I was talking about, and I'll just tell you my opinion on it. But so far, I'm really impressed with Saitek. Usually they make quality products, but you know, not this good. This is competing with a G15, except it doesn't have a screen, so it's a G11 then. Whatever. Thanks for watching, and I'll have the review coming soon. Bye bye.